Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here with another vehicle for our September 13th, 2023 online auction. As you can see, we use the online auction site bcsurplus.com. This one here is an estate vehicle. 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 TRX4 off-road. At least that's the decals on the box. I'm not sure exactly what that model indicates for options, so we don't go through and actually verify all of that. Are a few dents there just by the door handle. I'll do a little walk around. Bodywork seems to be in pretty nice condition. A few minor marks and scratches here and there, but really not a lot. A little dent here in the back corner, the back box or tailgate there, right up in that corner. It's an SLT model. Just happened to notice, look at this, the tail light's cracked, and backup light's about half full of water. Little bit of a mark there, dent in the corner up top on the box, a couple of small scratches. So this is an estate vehicle. Don't know much about it, dealing with an estate agent, so we don't get a lot of history of the vehicle themselves, but appears to be in pretty good condition. Exterior wise, the vehicle, they actually did drive this one here. The estate agent paid for a permit to bring it here, I believe. A little bit of a rub on the front corner. Actually, I don't think it was a permit. I think it was still licensed, but I don't mark my words there. I'm trying to remember. Hard to remember everything when you're going through doing these videos. A little bit of a mark down here in the bottom corner. Interior, it's clean. Looks like it's been cleaned. Some staining here on the floor, back seat floor. Seats are in pretty good condition. Definitely some wear though, some little nicks right here on this one. I think there's a little burn or a tear in the far side on the back seat there, but I'll show that to you here shortly. It's a 6-speed standard transmission. Imagine having to order that nowadays. Really not sure exactly how you would go and do that. Tailgate works. Doesn't even look like they put much in the box ever. But then, most people who have pickup trucks hardly ever use them for their intended purpose. My pickup truck, I haul a fifth wheel and a cargo trailer and camper. I haul all kinds of dirt and miscellaneous. So slider rear window. Again, let me just go to the back here. These doors open like almost 90 degrees. That's really quite amazing. Probably easy access. So yes, looks like it's a burn. There's a burn right there in the corner. Some unique storage here underneath. Let me see if I can do that. So that lifts up, you can get storage, but look at this nice platform there. That one does the same thing. Easy to put stuff in there, tools and stuff like that. That's pretty unique. I haven't my truck isn't this new, I guess, or maybe I don't have those kinds of options in my truck. Maybe it's because I drive a Ford, not really sure. Again, power windows, power locks. Front passenger seat nice and clean. A couple of little stains there on the seat itself. Definitely some stains there on the floor. Handle here, I noticed, is very difficult to operate. I get it. You just gotta work it there, but it does. And there we go. Oh, didn't see this one before. That's pretty cool. Okay. We drive them around our yard. This one, like I said, was driven to this location, so I didn't really drive it very much around the yard. The information from the estate agent told me the family or the owner had recently put a clutch in it. Of course, hard to verify any of that information, but that was what was indicated to us. Lots of cigarette burn holes on the driver's seat. Looks like he used to drop, whoever it was used to drop something, because of course that's right between your legs. That would burn, that would hurt. Lots on the floor too, a melt hole in the corner. And now I'll fire it up 316,232 kilometers. There you go. I just climbed in, closed the door. Of course, it's a standard, so I got to put the clutch in. And here we go. Find where the key goes. Oh. So everything, of course, illuminates. If I remember correctly, that airbag light stays on when I was doing the pictures for the online auction site, you know, for the listing. So 316,232 kilometers. It's in two-wheel drive. We don't test any of that. I'm not sure what this button does. Oh, look at that. That's a power sliding rear window. I have never seen that before. I've seen the ones that go up and down. Stereo system there. You know, we've got the little controls up top here. Feels like the motor's got maybe a little bit of a mist. You can see the shake there. Steering wheel controls. I'll put the brake on. Yeah, it seems to be holding. I just want to be able to let me see, show you guys the engine. So yeah, okay, I didn't test the parking brake. Tilt steering, like I said, cruise control, steering wheel controls. You know, so it's got a few options in it. Let me go here and try and lift the hood. Hood does not stay up. The gas control or whatever, the gas valves aren't good enough. 4.7 liter V8 Magnum or Magnum V8. Yeah, still the hood wants to come down. So you can see it does have a little bit of a vibration there, shake to it. So not really sure. I can't really let go of the hood here. Put the camera in closer. Hey, so this is a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab Short Box 4x4. It's a TRX4 off-road edition. I'll just, you can hear a hissing. Yeah, I don't really do that. Okay, so now I'll just pop back in here. And like I said, we haven't driven it around the yard. Oh, there we go. Parking brake handle doesn't work. The cable is just behind. But yeah, 6-speed standard. You sure don't see that very often nowadays. So let me see. Yeah, 4-wheel drive light comes on, so I would assume she engages. And 4-wheel low comes on. Let's, oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, that engages anyways, so like I said, that's about as far as we go with our testing, because you know, I'm on pavement here and I don't want to break something, because you know what, that's not my job. We're here to sell the vehicle. So anyways, here you go. This thing here, it is selling by Unreserved Auction. We are all city auctioneers. We are located in Langley, British Columbia. And this thing will sell to the highest bidder. We use the auction site bcsurplus.com. Hope you get another buy-by auction.